In this tutorial, we are going to walk through how to bulk edit appointment notes. From the calendar, we're going to go to All Appointments. Here we can see a number of search fields, a chart with the appointment status, and then below that are multiple appointments. So let's say we want to do a sorting of the notes that are incomplete, maybe a certain provider on a particular date range. I'm going to click search. This will help reduce the number of sessions and notes that are here. So what I want to do is, let's say I'm going to take this session for Frank Dorsey and this session for Julia. You can actually select as many of these appointments as possible as you care, just by checking the boxes here. Then we're going to click bulk edit. That will bring up a dialog box. Here we can bulk edit a number of different fields, including the time, appointment status. So I'm going to mark this appointment as complete, and then at the bottom we can see apply single note to multiple appointments. So here I'm going to say this is a test note to showcase how to apply the same note to multiple appointments. There we go. And once I click update, all 4 of these fields will now be updated. Now, of course, they disappeared because the filter says incomplete. However, if I say all, I don't remember the date, I think it was 11/15 to 11/16. Alright, I can see here's Julia, and here's Frank. The note is marked as complete. If I click edit note, oops, a new pop-up window appears. Scroll down. First, there's not going to be anything, but if I select general note, here we can see the note text that we bulk edited and applied to this note. Thank you.